Hello students, in this session we are going to solve another problem on adjusting entries. This is really very interesting problem. This is not asking to prepare the adjusting entries, but it is asking some other things, how much interest rate and what is the amount of rent we paid on which month we have done that. So this is really interesting problem. So first let's try to understand the problem. The Elbow Corporation's controller prepares adjusting entries only at the end. See, mind it, only at the end of the fiscal year. Okay, so the following adjusting entries were prepared on December 31st. See that they have already prepared adjusting entries, so we need to do something else. So the interest expense was this is on December 31st. So interest expense and interest payable. This is the amount. And rent expense and prepaid rent. Okay. And the interest receivable and interest revenue. And we have some other information. Let's see the information. The company borrowed 252,000 on March 31st. See that on March 31st. Principal and interest are due on March 31st, 2019. Okay, so yearly interest. So this note is the company's only interest bearing debt. Have that in mind. Rent for the year on the company's office space is 30,000. The rent is paid in advance. Okay. And on October 31st, 2018, the company lent money to a customer. The customer signed a note with principal and interest at 9% due in 1 year. So what is the interest rate? So the requirements are really interesting. So what is the interest rate on the company's note payable? Okay. And the 2018 rent payment was made at the beginning of which month? See? And how much did Elpo lend its customer on October 31st? Okay. So let's solve this one by one. Here is the problem. So now, see, the first one. We have calculated interest expense 22,680. And the note, see, the company borrowed this money on March 31st. Actually, the interest rate started from April 1st, right? So April, May, June, or July, right? So August, September, October, November, and December. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 months, right? 9 months. And this amount of interest is for 9 months. We have calculated. Okay. So let's see. Since this is the amount of interest for the 9 months, so we can solve this in two different ways. So let me show you the easiest way. So we have total interest for this 9 month, this amount, and let's divide this one by 250,000. And this amount is for 9 months rent, right? Okay, so this is gonna be 0.09. Okay, this is actually our 9 month rate. Okay, so the annual rate would be how much? So annual rate would be, since this is our 9 month rate, so now let's insert an equation. I think it's better. So 0.09 multiplied by 12 over 9. Can you see that? We have divided this one by 9 to have the rate for 1 month and multiplied by 12 to have the rate for 12 months. So now it is 0.12 or 12%. Can you see that? So this is the number 1. Let's see. Okay, this is better. Maybe. Number 1. And now come to number 2. Number 2, we can see the rent expense 12,500 and prepaid rent is 12,500. Okay, so here you can say rent for the year is 30,000. Okay, so what we will do? So let's calculate the per month rent. Per month rent would be, so 30,000 divided by 12 equal to 4,500. This is a per month rent. Okay, and now so we have calculated rent expense 12,500. Okay, so 12,500 divided by 2,500. Sorry, 4,500. 4,500, which is monthly rent. So we will get how many months have passed. So this is, it makes 5 months. 5 months have passed. So we have prepared this adjusting entry on December 31st. Let's calculate back, go back. Okay. So December, November, okay, October, September, August. So this is the 5th month from backward calculations. So the answer for these, the answer is the 2018 rent payment was made at the beginning of which month? Okay, so the answer would be August. Let's say the beginning of August. Make sense? And number 3. Interesting. See that it is really interesting problem. So how much did Elpo lend its customers on October 31st? See, interest. So on the basis of these and these information, we will calculate that one. We have lent on October 31st. So November, December for 2 months. So this amount of interest is for 2 months. Okay. Okay. Now let's see. Per month interest would be. So per month interest would be how much? This is for 2 months, right? So 750 divided by 2 equal to 375. This is the per month interest. I'm not writing the dollar sign, just all the amounts are in dollar. So 12 month interest would be 375 multiplied by 12 equal to 4,500, right? This is 12 months, meaning annual interest. Okay. So now we know that we calculate interest by multiplying the principal amount with the interest rate. So what we do is principal, right, multiplied by interest rate equal to, we don't know the principal, but we know the interest rate, that is 9%. Okay, so here our interest is 4,500. So now the principal would be 4,500 divided by 0.09. Make sense? And that is 50,000. So answer for number 3 is $50,000. Make sense? I hope you have understood. And if you have any question, please let me know. Thank you for watching.